Good morning everybody, myself Vishwendra, I am the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory. Today we shall discuss about cross product of vectors. So cross product is represented by the symbol cross. Let's assume that we have two vectors, vector A and vector B. Then their cross product vector C is defined by vector C is equal to A cross B, which is equal to AB sin theta into n cap. So the magnitude of this vector can be written as AB into mod of sin theta. We will analyze in terms of geometrical aspect and in terms of mathematical aspect. So geometrical aspect, let's assume that this is vector A and this is vector B and these are inclined to each other at an angle of theta. So if this is A, then that side will be A sin theta, which I can name as A perpendicular. So C can be written as AB mod sin theta. This can be written as A mod sin theta into B, and this A mod sin theta I have taken as A perpendicular. So for finding the cross product, you can use this concept that the cross product is magnitude of one vector and projection of another vector perpendicular to that vector. In another case, we can also say that this is AB mod sin theta. You draw a perpendicular on the line of action of A, and this side will be equal to B sin theta, which I can take as B perpendicular. So C can also be written as A into B perpendicular. That is, you take the product of one of the vector, the magnitude of one of the vector, and multiply that by projection of another vector perpendicular to the first vector. In this way you can solve your questions quickly. Let's take the example of the mathematical aspect. Suppose vector A is a1ik plus a2jk plus a3jk. Vector B is b1ik plus b2jk plus b3jk. So A cross B can be written by in terms of the determinant ijk, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. And you know that determinant can be opened as I cap a2 b3 minus b2 a3 minus j cap a1 b3 minus b1 a3 plus k cap a1 b2 minus b1 a2. So in this way you can solve your questions quickly. So whatever information you have stored in your mind, make sure you store that in a format which is of use to you, in which you can retrieve when it is desired. Most of the students fail in competitive exams because the information stored in their mind is not retrievable. They are not able to retrieve that information. That's why they fail to solve their questions. So manage your processes of mind and end up with flying colors. Thank you and have a nice day.